Hey, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. Uh, I'm going to try to do this without my headset going off on me. So, the one thing I want to address is the cosori air fryer toaster oven that I had since 2024. So I'm replacing it with an Emerson voice activated air fryer. It's a 6-in-1, and I'm probably going to mainly use it for air frying and baking, sometimes reheating, it depends. I want to kind of try a little bit of everything, but I think it also has keep warm and dehydrate. I've tried to look for a video of this product on YouTube because, as well as me being a YouTuber, I also like to listen to YouTube. But the VSync app that is used for cosori has gotten some update that made it unusable for me. And that creates a whole level of problems, and Alexa has quit operating with it to the point to where when you tell it to air fry for 20 minutes or for the duration at, for example, 380 or 400 degrees or 425, and the highest is 450 that it'll go. Long story short, makes you walk over, press the start button, and that got annoying for me because I shouldn't have to walk to and from another part of my house just to get it to work. So I got pissed one day, and I was originally looking up regular, I didn't want anything fancy. I wasn't looking for that kind of, fancy shit. But I came up with more than what I wanted. But unfortunately, I ordered the product and it's arriving here in a few days. And I'm going to play with it whenever I decide that I want to have some crispy chicken and other things. And I'll let you guys know for a first-hand experience how it works. But the main important thing that I'm kind of taking away from is cosori is good for those that can see what they're doing. But when it comes to people that rely on an app with a screen reader that typically kind of goes out the window with an update, makes it inaccessible to where nothing can be read, we got a problem. So I decided to do something better. I got a air fryer, not toaster oven, another air fryer that's coming in a few days by Emerson. So I'm kind of gonna get my hands on that, and this is not gonna be an unboxing video. I need to get back to doing stuff like that, but I've never done a kitchen unboxing because I'm just extremely eager to get the product out, really put it through its paces, and before buying it, I have checked my research. I've scrolled through 20 different reviews. And if I'm doing the math correctly, there was one 3-star review and the rest were 4 stars and up. 4 to 5 stars. So that means roughly 90, I'm going to say 19 out of 20 were good, which I'm estimating around 97%, maybe 99%. So instead of just going by percentages, I'll just say 19 out of 20 indicated that it was worth getting this product. So there was a spring sale the other day where it was $109. Now, at the time I wasn't able to get this product, so I waited a few days and I ordered it, I believe yesterday, because it's already April 3rd. So I ordered it and decided to go on my merry way. But am I looking forward to this? Yes. Do I want this product? Yes. Do I think it's gonna work? Yes. Why? Because 19 out of 20 was 4 stars and up. Now, not everything is, this is all just reviews. People have experienced it. It works well for some people. It doesn't work for others. And in this case, there was one 3-star rating that said that it just started cooking food randomly, when there was nothing in there. So the person probably, in my honest opinion, got drunk and just had some fun. Now, I don't know this other than what I've seen, because I've seen a bunch of people say they didn't really have a problem with it. Some even said, that the voice activation's good. There was one, maybe 2 people that said the voice activation could have some work on, but most of them said it was good. So I went ahead and purchased this product in hopes that this will be a replacement for the Cosori 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven, which is the 25 liter. So, do I think that anything could happen? Again, I don't know. I could have ordered it yesterday. I could have ordered it the other day. As a matter of fact, we're going to check and see. We are still recording, so that's good. Get to that other video that I want to do in a sec on the AirPods backs, but my honest opinion is I'm going to check and see how well this works, what I think of it, and all of that, because there are mixed reviews. Some can be good, some can be bad, but I kind of want to see for myself, what am I getting into. Now, the best part about this Emerson Smart, that's what it's literally called, Emerson Smart voice activated air fryer, is the simple fact that there's no Wi-Fi, no app. It's already to go when you get it out of the box. Just plug it in, and the wake up words are "Hey air fryer," and it will say, after it beeps and says, "Welcome back." Now, I was told it's kind of medium size, it's kind of small. The air fryer toaster oven is about the size of a regular toaster oven / regular oven. So, air fryer toaster oven could potentially fit in the oven space because it's about that big. And it takes up so much counter room that you practically have an oven minus a stove on top. So, do I think they should make an air fryer toaster oven? Well, I'm not knocking that, because technically, you never know. Like, some people may want to air fry, bake, toast, broil, dehydrate, ferment, stuff like that, reheat. And the best thing about this new air fryer I got is it recognizes over 1,000 commands and 100 different foods. So if I wanted to, I could say preheat, and I was told that, based off of the reviews, that it will alert you when to flip, and it'll even pause. So my recommendation is look at the reviews and then kind of form your own observations. Use the voice control function to your abilities. I am absolutely kind of surprised though, because this is the first video on this product in the near future. Now, I'm not going to say that it's going to be like that for long. I did do a search in the YouTube thing, and I literally just, for shits and grins, I did this, I actually put it in the YouTube search bar. It popped up with other air fryers. This product is new. Over 50 people bought it, and I bet you the majority of those 50 people had some good things to say about it. And this product must have came out in 2026 in February, according to the Amazon Alexa Plus on my device. So I'm really kind of ready to, ditch VSync, get rid of cosori, and try to really embrace the new air fryer. And from what I heard, it's non-stick coating, and it cooks evenly. But anyways, that is all that I have to say on this product. Again, I'm not too happy with cosori and everything right now, because I've had 2 of their products. The first product, well, the air fryer started smoking, according to somebody that used it, and that went bye-bye. So I actually didn't even buy that air fryer, but I bought, the air fryer that I was talking about. But anyways, you guys stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.